Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on advanced solar energy solutions. Today, we're excited to introduce our Green Laser Solar Cell Scribing Machine, a high-precision laser processing system designed to meet the evolving needs of the photovoltaic industry. Product introduction. Our Green Laser Scribing Machine utilizes a high-energy laser beam to precisely process solar cells. By selectively melting and vaporizing the material, it enables clean and efficient scribing without physical contact, minimizing thermal damage and maximizing processing accuracy. One of its biggest advantages is its wide compatibility with multiple photovoltaic cell technologies, including BC back contact cells, HPBC high-performance back contact cells, such as Longi Green Energy's HPBC technology, PERC Passivated emitter and rear contact cells, HJT Heterojunction technology cells, TOPCon tunnel oxide passivated contact cells. With high precision, non-contact processing, and minimal heat impact, our Green Laser Scribing Machine ensures outstanding performance across various cell structures and manufacturing processes. About Ooitech. As a global leader in solar energy solutions, Ooitech has over 15 years of experience in renewable energy and industrial laser applications. We specialize in providing turnkey PV module manufacturing plants and smart energy solutions worldwide. We offer one-stop solutions for solar panel production lines ranging from M2 to M12, 156mm to 210mm. With our advanced technology and reliable service, we empower the PV industry with efficient, high-quality manufacturing solutions. If you're looking for a cutting-edge laser scribing machine to enhance your solar cell production, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. 有主播开播了